Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create QR code for PowerPoint presentation. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to create QR code for PowerPoint presentation. First, just open your PowerPoint, and here for example just can type anything, and then click add ins, and in the search bar just type QR and then select QR for office, and after that click add and then continue. Okay, and here enter the URL text you would like to encode. Here you can type the website or email or telephone, SMS. Okay, for example, if website youtube.com, and here you can change the color and the background if you want, and here the size, you can choose the size, and after that when you are happy with the QR and the color, just click insert. Okay, now just you can move it, or you can increase the size more if you want, and even people can scan the QR code via mobile. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to create QR code for PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.